Are these cardboard coin holders going to be worth it for collectors or coin collectors? Let's find out. So I ended up going with the 8 assorted sizes, and they do have 50 in each one, so 400 total is what you get in this one. On the side of each one is going to tell you what size the cardboard coin holders are, so each one's going to be check marked in the size that they are. So here's the actual coin holder itself. You have the cardboard here, and then you also do have that nice film on the outside, so it's going to protect the coin, but you can still look at the coin. What I like about this pack is not only can you fit like your regular quarters, your pennies, dimes, nickels, but you can also fit really larger coins. So if you have any medallions, or if you have dollar coins, or just any like really large coin, you can see that they do have sizes for those too, which I do like. They come in the pack. They have a really easy fold to them too, so once you're ready to put your coin in, you just fold it over with your coin inside and line it up. And then you can either staple these, you can glue them, you can really do whatever you want to secure it, but I usually just staple mine. So if you're a coin holder, would definitely recommend these. I think it's great how they come with so many, so they're going to last you, and I think they're going to be really convenient, especially if you do collect coins.